Because each agency's workflow processes may differ greatly from the next, we have provided several ways to attach images into your ASI program. The first and most basic way of attaching a file is to drag and drop the files onto the Document Manager icon. This will bring up the list of clients. Simply select your client, name the file, and attach to a policy if desired. This will create a record on the image listing for that client and copy the file to the system's PICS folder, allowing you to delete it from the original location. It is important to have the file closed while attaching, as it cannot copy a file in use, and attaching a read-only file will result in an attached link to the file's current location. If you use Outlook for your primary email program and you wish to file messages in images, you can drag the Outlook message you wish to attach, first to your Windows desktop, then to the Document Manager. Remember, to open these files, you must have Outlook installed on the workstation from which you access the filed image. Another way to attach files to a client is to select the client within the program. Go to Images, the camera icon if using the modern style, and click the Load New Image icon. As you browse to the original location of the file, you may need to select all files under Files of Type, depending on the type of file you are attaching. Once you find and select the file, click Open to name and attach. If you neglect to attach it to a desired policy, you can simply choose the policy from the Images window after the record is created. The Load New Image process also allows you to create a group, a folder that contains attached images. To create a group, you must use the Load New Image icon from the Images window. Then select more than one file to attach from the same location. This will create a folder within the PICS folder and a link on Images that will open that folder. This link can be titled and attached to a policy like any other attachment. To add files to that group, simply open the link and paste your desired files into the group folder that opens. We have covered the basic image functions. In our next tutorial in this image subseries, we will talk about the ASI printer, a virtual printer available to our EasyAgent and Agency Pro users.